Okay, we go to the next presentation that I wanna present to you guys after the project that I already show you guys is, wanna present about country introduction China. China, officially known as the People's Republic of China, is a vast and ancient country located in East Asia. Its capital city is Beijing, known for its rich history and cultural landmarks. China is the most populous country in the world, with a population of about 1.4 billion people. The official language is Mandarin Chinese, and the currency used is the renminbi, commonly known as the yuan. So, China, welcome to China. Geography of China. China is the third largest country in the world by land area, with the diverse landscape ranging from mountain to desert and rivers to forests. The Himalayas, including Mount Everest, form a natural border with Nepal and are the highest mountain range in the world. The Gobi Desert, located in the northern China, is one of the largest deserts in the world. China it also has a long coastline along the Pacific Ocean, providing access to major ports and trade routes. So China, in the history, they also had a trading area routes in the sea. When in Majapahit era, China already so famous at the trading center and route. So if you know, there is a big ship that in the ocean when in Majapahit era is China. Agriculture in China. The fertile plains in eastern China, including the Yangtze River Delta, are ideal for rice cultivation, while wheat, corn, and soybeans are common in the northern and central region. China excels in tea production in provinces like Yunnan and Fujian. Western regions are better suited for livestock like sheep, goats, and yaks. So in China, there is many of the fertile land in Asia, in China, and many of the main food in there. Yeah, as you can see, like before rice, white, corn, and soybeans, and others. And they are famous in tea. China is famous with tea in their village. Famous landmark, the Great Wall of China, one of the most iconic structure in the world, stretched over 13,000 miles and was built to protect China from invasion. The Forbidden City in Beijing is a massive palace complex that served as the home of Chinese emperors for nearly 500 years. The Terracotta Army in Xi'an is the collection of thousands of life-size statues that were buried with China's first emperor. The Yangtze River, the longest river in Asia, is another famous natural landmark known for its breathtaking scenery. In each of the famous landmark in the China, there is many of the history of it. Like for example, the history book of Terracotta Army. Terracotta Army is like a history from the emperor China, first emperor China, that they get cursed and then become a terracotta army. There is the movie too in here. And for the Great Wall of China, they make is over 13,000 miles is so long, and as the top of the Great Wall is in the sea and is very long. Maybe it took a long time when you go to the top of it. Chinese culture. Chinese New Year, also known as the Spring Festival, is the most important holiday. Fireworks and the iconic dragon and lion dance. Chinese cuisine is famous for its variety, with dishes like king duck, dim sum, and hot pot being popular both in China and around the world. Traditional Chinese medicine, which includes practices like acupuncture and herbal remedies, is still widely used today. Calligraphy and painting are also important aspects of Chinese art, reflecting the country's deep appreciation for beauty and harmony. Chinese culture is also the deep culture for Chinese people. If in like other country, they already make the modern hospital and many of medical modern that already adapt with other country, but not for of Chinese. Still widely, or maybe many of population in Chinese that still use like acupuncture and herbal plant and others and to make the strong body. But there is some also an haram things for the medicine of Chinese, like such as snake's blood. Snake blood still use the medicine today, like in Chinese, and they also good at painting and calligraphy, as you can see of when Chinese New Year. Many of the calligraphy like dragon, lion, mice, pig, and many others of that is paint so good and so beauty. Wildlife in China. The giant panda, known for its black and white fur, is one of the most famous animals in China and is a symbol of conservation efforts. The South China tiger, though critically endangered, is another iconic species native to China. China coastal waters are home to the Chinese white dolphin, a rare and protected species. So wildlife in China, many if you go to China, many of panda in there because if the is the iconic one in the China, known as the famous animals in China because of China. There is the title is the bamboo forest, many in there. So it's so comfortably for the panda to adapt in there so easily and so comfort for them. Sports in China. Table tennis, also known as ping pong, is the national sport of China, with Chinese athletes consistently winning international championship. Badminton is another popular sport with many Chinese players ranking among the best in the world. Basketball has a huge following, with the Chinese Basketball Association being one of the most watched leagues in the country. Martial arts, including Kung Fu and Tai Chi, have been practiced in the China for centuries and are deeply rooted in Chinese culture. China is the most forward athlete in this sport. It's like table tennis, ping pong. Many of the world championship that from also from the Chinese, and many of badminton too that also from Chinese. And basketball too. And martial arts, many of the martial arts in the Chinese like Tai Chi, Kung Fu, and like Wing Chun and many others. If you see the Chinese history and many, and they are the best people that also forward at the sport world. Fun facts about China. China is the oldest continuous civilization in the world, with a history that spans over 400 years. The Chinese language is the oldest written language still in use today. China is also the largest producer of tea, which has been an important part of Chinese culture for centuries. The country has more than 100 cities with population exceeding 1 million people. The Chinese dragon, a legendary creature, is a symbol of power, strength, and good luck. Lastly, the Silk Road, an ancient trade route, connect the China with Europe and play a key role in the exchange of goods and ideas between the East and the West. Thank you for watch my country introduction. I hope you guys enjoy, and last I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.